Welcome to Seville's breathtaking Plaza de España, a masterpiece built in 1928. Set within the lush Maria Luisa Park, its sweeping colonnades, ornate bridges, and glittering ceramic tile work celebrate the provinces of Spain, each alcove telling a story of regional pride. Today, Plaza de España is more than a monument. It's a living stage where visitors stroll and marvel at its timeless beauty. Truly want to get in the spirit, you can rent a flamenco costume and a photographer for some unforgettable memories.